You know how AI is like transforming everything these days?
Oh, yeah.
Well, today we're going to like zoom in on how it's changing something super personal,
Okay.
real estate.
Yeah, I mean, it's huge. For a lot of people, their home is like their biggest investment.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So understanding how AI is like shaking things up is super important.
Absolutely.
So to help us unpack all this, we've got excerpts from a guide by Natalie Flanagan.
Oh, interesting.
Now, she was a top real estate agent for over a decade,
Wow.
but then she made a pretty surprising move.
Well, she like quit.
She went all in on AI.
That's wild. It just shows you how even people at the top of their game are, adapting to this new tech.
Totally. And that's what we're going to dive into today. What made Natalie make this switch?
Right.
And how is AI actually becoming a game changer in the real estate world?
Yeah, it's a big question.
So our mission today is to figure out, like, how is AI actually being used in real estate?
Yeah.
What are the real benefits? And what does this all mean if you're thinking about buying or selling property?
For sure. We need to break that down.
Trust me, stick around for this one. There's some serious aha moments coming up.
I think the goal is to, equip both professionals and regular folks like, our listeners
Right.
with the knowledge to navigate this whole new landscape.
Exactly. So first things first, why would a successful real estate agent like Natalie dive headfirst into AI?
Yeah, it's not like she was like leaving real estate behind, right?
Right.
Well, the guide actually highlights like how much she loves the industry,
Okay.
but she also talks about like wanting to get rid of all those tedious tasks,
Oh, I see.
paperwork, data entry, scheduling,
That's the worst.
things that, as it turns out, AI is really good at.
So it's like AI became her secret weapon, to work smarter, not harder.
Exactly. She actually calls AI her all-in-one assistant.
I like that.
I think it really captures the idea, right? By offloading all those repetitive tasks, she has more time for building relationships,
Okay.
analyzing the market,
Yeah.
and ultimately serving her clients better.
I bet anyone listening who's ever bought or sold a home can relate to that.
Oh, yeah.
Who hasn't wished for an assistant to handle all that paperwork?
For real.
Yeah.
And here's like a key takeaway. AI isn't about replacing human agents.
Yeah, sure.
It's about giving them superpowers.
Okay, so AI gives real estate pros superpowers.
Right.
But what are those superpowers exactly? And
Yeah.
how do they actually benefit me, the person buying or selling a home?
Okay, let's break it down.
Okay.
The guide highlights like
Right.
3 major benefits.
All right.
Streamlined workflow,
Okay.
increased productivity,
Got it.
and enhanced client engagement.
So streamlined workflow, that sounds amazing, but can you give me a specific example of how that actually works in real estate?
Sure. Think about scheduling showings. Trying to coordinate with multiple sellers, find a time that works for everyone.
Yeah.
AI can handle that instantly.
Yeah.
Finding the perfect time slots, managing everyone's calendars,
Wow.
eliminates all that back and forth.
That would be a game changer. Okay, what about increased productivity?
Right.
Does that just mean agents are closing more deals faster?
It's more than that. It's about freeing up their time so they can focus on what matters most to you.
Okay.
Instead of being bogged down by admin tasks, they have more time for things like in-depth market research, strategic negotiations,
I see.
and, providing those personal touches that make a difference.
So it's not just about speed, it's about getting better service overall.
Exactly.
Now, this enhanced client engagement, that sounds interesting.
Yeah.
It's like AI is going beyond just crunching numbers, right?
It is. Think of it this way. You're looking for a home online.
Mm.
You spend a lot of time browsing listings in a particular neighborhood. An AI-powered platform can learn from your behavior and suggest other properties you might like,
Oh, interesting.
even ones you might not have found on your own. It's like having a personalized recommendation engine working for you.
So it's like AI is becoming this super efficient matchmaker for buyers and sellers.
You got it.
What I find really interesting about Natalie is, she's not just a tech guru.
Right.
She's a seasoned real estate professional. She's been in the trenches, so to speak,
Yeah.
and knows this industry inside and out.
And that's what makes her perspective so valuable, right? She
Yeah.
understands both sides of the coin,
Yeah,
the human element and the technological potential.
totally.
It's not about blindly adopting AI.
Right.
It's about strategically integrating it to, enhance the expertise that's already there.
Which means you listening right now can trust that these insights come from someone who's actually walked the walk.
For sure.
Not just talked the talk.
Absolutely. She brings a level of credibility that's, essential for building confidence in this new era of real estate.
Now, from what I've read, Natalie seems pretty passionate about AI and its potential,
Oh, yeah.
but it sounds like she's not just like singing its praises.
hmm
She has a pretty strong stance on the future of the industry, doesn't she?
She does. Her message is clear. The real estate industry has to evolve
Okay.
or it risks being left behind.
Yeah.
She believes that embracing AI isn't optional anymore.
Wow.
It's a necessity if you
Yeah.
want to stay competitive and relevant.
That's a bold statement.
Yeah,
But I get it. The world's changing so fast. Any industry that doesn't adapt is going to struggle.
right. It's not about fearing change. It's about understanding it
Okay.
and adapting to it.
I see.
And that's where this deep dive comes in.
Yeah.
We're giving you a head start, the knowledge you need to navigate this shifting landscape.
So instead of being intimidated by all this AI talk, our listeners are actually ahead of the curve.
Exactly. You're getting insights that can help you make informed decisions, whether you're buying, selling, or just thinking about what all this means for your own home.
And speaking of the future, Natalie doesn't just talk about AI. She actively works to help other professionals become what she calls AI savvy.
Oh, cool.
She's a big believer in collaboration and sharing her knowledge.
That's so important because AI can be complex,
Oh, yeah.
and the most successful implementations come from sharing best practices, learning from each other's experiences,
Yeah.
and building a supportive community.
So it's not about hoarding information or trying to outsmart each other with the latest AI tools.
No, not at all.
It's about working together to raise the bar for the entire industry.
Exactly. And that's what makes this deep dive so exciting.
Yes.
We're not just observing these changes, we're becoming part of the conversation,
Right.
part of the solution.
And that's a powerful place to be.
It is. Welcome back to our deep dive into AI and real estate.
Mhm.
Before we move on, I want to emphasize that those benefits we were talking about,
Right.
streamlined workflow, enhanced client engagement, those aren't just theoretical.
Okay, good.
Natalie's guide actually gives us real-world examples of how AI is already making a difference.
Yeah, that's what I was hoping we'd get into. Like, what are some specific ways AI is changing the game right now?
One great example is AI-powered chatbots. They
Right.
can handle those initial inquiries from potential clients, qualify leads, even schedule appointments,
Wow.
all without, any human intervention.
So it's like having an assistant who's available like 24/7.
Exactly.
Right.
And because the chatbot is taking care of those basic tasks,
Right.
real estate agents can focus their time and energy on the more, complex stuff,
I see.
like property valuation negotiation.
It makes sense.
Right.
Frees them up to do what they do best. What about the home search process itself?
Yeah.
Can AI actually help buyers find the perfect property faster?
Absolutely. AI algorithms are able to analyze massive amounts of data.
Okay.
Property listings, market trends, even things like school ratings and crime statistics.
Wait, so it goes way beyond just like what's listed in the property description.
Oh yeah, by analyzing all this data, AI can put together highly personalized recommendations
Wow.
based on your specific needs and preferences.
Okay.
It can even take into account things you might not even think about, like commute times.
So instead of spending hours like scrolling through endless listings online,
Right.
I could just tell an AI what I'm looking for and it would like do the work for me.
That's the idea. And here's another cool thing.
Okay.
AI can actually predict which properties are likely to appreciate in value.
So it's not just about finding a place to live, it can actually help me make a smarter investment.
Exactly. It's like having a financial advisor built into your home search process.
This is all super helpful for buyers, but what about like people selling their homes? Does AI offer any advantages for them?
Definitely. One of the biggest challenges for sellers is, figuring out the right listing price.
Yeah, price it too high and it might sit on the market forever.
Exactly. Price it too low and you miss out on potential profit.
It's always such a tricky balance.
Right. Well, AI can analyze market data to determine, the optimal listing price for your property, maximizing your return on investment.
So it takes the guesswork out of it. That would be a huge relief for a lot of sellers.
Absolutely. AI can also identify potential buyers who are most likely to be interested in your specific property,
Okay.
which makes, marketing and selling way more efficient.
So it's about getting your property in front of the right eyes, the people who are actually going to be interested. I like it.
And it all ties back to what we discussed earlier. Natalie's belief that the real estate industry needs to adapt to this new world of technology
Yeah.
in order to thrive.
It sounds like she's not just talking about using AI as like a cool new gadget.
Right.
It's about a fundamental shift in how we approach real estate as a whole.
Exactly. And her guide really underscores that point.
Huh.
She talks about how, those who are resistant to change, they risk falling behind.
Yeah.
While those who embrace AI, they have the opportunity to become leaders in this, rapidly evolving industry.
But it's not just about adopting the latest software, right?
Right.
It sounds like Natalie emphasizes the importance of actually understanding how AI works
Hmm.
and integrating it effectively.
You got it. She advocates for what she calls AI-savvy professionals.
Okay.
These are people who not only know how to use the tools, but who also have the, critical thinking skills to apply AI strategically.
So it's not just about knowing which buttons to push, it's about understanding the bigger picture,
Right.
the potential benefits, and also, I imagine, the potential pitfalls.
Right. And that's another area where Natalie's guide provides valuable insights.
Okay.
She talks about best practices for implementing AI,
Okay.
things like data privacy and security, and ensuring that AI is used responsibly.
It's great that she's not just advocating for the technology itself, but also considering, like, the ethical implications.
Yeah.
It sounds like she's creating a roadmap for success in this new era of real estate.
Absolutely. And a key part of her approach is collaboration and knowledge sharing. She believes the entire industry will benefit from, a collective effort to embrace and adapt to AI.
So it's not about individuals or companies trying to, like, get a leg up on each other.
Not at all. It's about working together
Mm.
to create a more efficient and transparent marketplace for everyone.
This is all really fascinating, and it feels like we're just scratching the surface.
Yeah.
Before we wrap up, what would you say is the most important takeaway for our listeners so far?
I think the biggest takeaway is that, AI is here to stay,
Right.
and it's fundamentally changing the landscape of real estate.
Yeah.
Whether you're buying, selling, or just curious about the future of homeownership, understanding how AI works and its potential impact, it's incredibly valuable.
Right. This deep dive has given our listeners like a head start in navigating this like exciting and sometimes complex new world.
Yeah, right.
But there's still so much more to explore.
Right.
Coming up next, we'll delve into what all of this means for the future of like owning a home. Don't go anywhere.
Welcome back to the deep dive. We've been really getting into how AI is changing real estate, and we've been, learning from Natalie Flanagan.
Yeah, she's great.
The former agent who's all in on AI now.
Mm-hmm.
One thing that really stands out to me about Natalie is her commitment to making sure everyone in real estate can benefit from AI.
Yeah, totally.
She's all about empowering people to adapt and succeed in this new tech-driven landscape.
I think that's really key.
It is. It's refreshing to hear because
Yeah.
sometimes with all the talk about, robots and algorithms,
Yeah.
you can't help but wonder, what about the human element? It's a valid concern, but what we've been discussing is AI isn't about replacing human expertise.
Right.
It's about enhancing it.
Okay.
So think of it like this. AI can handle those repetitive, time-consuming tasks,
Mm-hmm.
which frees up, real estate professionals to focus on what they do best.
Right, like building relationships.
Exactly. Providing personalized advice, really understanding their clients' needs.
So it's like AI is taking care of the busy work, so agents can be more human, not less.
I like that.
Now, even though we've seen how AI can streamline things and even make the process more personal, there's still a part of me that wonders about, the future of homeownership itself.
Right.
Is AI gonna change the way we buy, sell, even, think about our homes?
It's a great question, and it's one that Natalie actually addresses in her guide.
Okay.
She talks about how AI can actually make homeownership more accessible for more people.
Really? How so?
Well, think about all the complexities involved in buying a home. Getting pre-approved for a mortgage, navigating all the paperwork, understanding all that legal jargon.
Yeah.
AI can simplify these processes,
Okay.
make them, easier to understand, easier to navigate.
So it's like AI is taking some of the mystery and intimidation out of the whole process.
Exactly. And that can be, particularly beneficial for first-time home buyers
Mm-hmm.
who might be, a little overwhelmed by all the steps involved.
That makes sense. What about the way we find and choose our homes? Will that change?
It already is. We talked earlier about how AI can analyze your preferences, suggest properties you might like.
Right.
But imagine if AI could take that even further.
Okay.
What if it could create virtual tours of homes that don't even exist yet,
Wow.
allowing you to experience what it would be like to live in that space before it's even built.
That's next level. It's like AI is taking us beyond just viewing listings and actually like giving us a feel for what it would be like to live in, a certain home or neighborhood.
Right. And think about the potential for, like, customization.
Okay.
What if AI could help you, like, design your dream home,
Oh, wow.
taking into account your lifestyle, your budget, even your aesthetic preferences?
So it sounds like AI is going to make the whole process of homeownership much more personalized
Yes.
and tailored to like individual needs.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And ultimately, that's what Natalie's vision is all about.
Yeah.
Using AI to empower people,
Yeah.
to make the dream of homeownership a reality for more people, and to create a more, efficient, transparent, and enjoyable experience for everyone.
That's a great note to end on. This has been such a fascinating deep dive into the world of AI and real estate.